Good evening viewers, welcome to the channel Smart Learning. Welcome to the Smart Learning Mandarin Chinese tutorial, the largest spoken language of the world and the most complicated foreign language in the Asian continent. In today's class, I'll be mainly discussing the most commonly used Mandarin Chinese words with characters and pinyin. I'll be showing you also how to draw the characters with proper stroke order. Before starting today's lesson, I'll be requesting once again to all of my viewers, friends and students to subscribe the channel Smart Learning so that all the lessons uploaded in the channel you can get it fast. I request to like and share the video lessons so that one like and share will motivate me to work hard for the next lesson. I thank to all of my subscribers who have already subscribed the channel Smart Learning. Let's start today's topic. Thank you. Let's start today's class Chinese characters. First I'll be showing you the pinyin, then the characters and then English meaning. Okay, each and every character. And for each and every character I'll be showing you how to draw the character. I'll be showing you twice each and every character. First character is the most commonly used characters. This is the pinyin. Pronunciation is ni hao, ni hao. This is the third tone, has been used on the vowel, that is I and A. Okay. But in Chinese grammar, when two third tones you are getting side by side, the first third tone will be actually pronounced as a second tone. Okay. And if you want to have an idea regarding tones, please see our playlist, the Mandarin Chinese tutorial playlist in the channel. You can have a video lesson, you can get the visual video lessons on tones and pronunciation, proper pronunciation of the all pinyin. Okay. In the very preliminary level. Now I am not going for the details of the tones in this class. You will get everything in the video lessons already uploaded in the playlist Mandarin Chinese tutorial in the channel Smart Learning. Okay. So ni hao. I am showing you how to draw the characters. I am showing you twice. This character is called ni, ni, and this is how. Ni hao is the pronunciation and meaning is hello. Is a very commonly used characters. Whenever you are meeting somebody or Chinese people, first you have to say ni hao, hello, is a ni hao. Okay. I am showing you once again the character drawing. Just give attention. 1 is a stroke order. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, ni. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ni hao is the pronunciation, English meaning hello. Please take down in your notebook. I am showing you the next character. So somebody is asking you ni hao, hello, that means hello, how are you, this type of expression. Okay, in conversational Chinese. Then you are giving the reply, I am very well. I'm giving you the pinyin I am giving you. Then I'm giving you pinyin at first, then I'm showing you the character. All this is a third tone, but you have to follow the second tone in the first case and all third tone side by side. Already I have explained. Oh and how, this is the pronunciation. Oh and how. Meaning is I am very well. English meaning. I am showing you how to draw the character. Is the character O. O means I. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is O. Now character Hun. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh hun, oh hun, oh hun, oh hun, how. I am very well. How is well? Is the same character. I am repeating once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh one, how. I am very well. I am repeating once again the character. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh. Hun. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Often. How. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Often how. The meaning is I am very well. I am writing the meaning in English. Please take down in your copy. I am very well. Okay. O means I, hun is very, and how is well. Okay. Please take down in your notebook. 2 characters, 2 sentences. Actually, we have learnt. Now I am showing you the character of the country, name of the country. The country's name, that is China. People's official name is People's Republic of China. This is the official name of the country, People's Republic of China. The pinyin I am giving you, Chonghua. Chonghua means China. Renmin means people. People. Renmin. And Kong Ho Kuo. Kong Ho Kuo. Okay. Kong Ho Kuo is called Republic. People's Republic of China. The Chinese word is pinyin is Chonghua Renmin Kong Ho Kuo. Okay. And don't worry regarding the tones I have used in this pinyin. These are the tones. Okay. Chonghua Renmin Kong Ho Kuo. This is a tone already used on the vowels. Okay. Don't worry about the tone. You will get it in the playlist. In the first time preliminary video, I have already uploaded video lessons in the channel. You will get it, everything, all the explanations of the tones and pronunciation in those videos. Okay. Now, I'll be showing you the corrected drawing. Please take down in your notebook. First character, Chonghua. This is Chong. 2, 3, 4. Chong. Chonghua. Chonghua. Okay. Now Ren Min. Ren. Min. Chonghua Ren Min. Ren Min. Kong Ho Kuo. Kong. 2, 3, 4. 5, 6. Kong. Kong Ho Kuo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kong Ho Kuo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Closing. It's called Kuo. Kuo means country. Chonghua Ren Min Kong Ho Kuo. This total character. People's Republic of China. This is the official name of the country, China. Okay. Please take down in your notebook. This is the first part, Chonghua Ren Min Kong Ho Kuo. Okay. I am showing you once again. Chonghua. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Chonghua. Ren Min. Ren Min. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ren Min. Kong Ho Kuo. Kong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Kung, ho. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kung ho. Kuo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, Kuo. Kuo means country. Kung ho Kuo. Chung hua ren min Kung ho Kuo. Total meaning is People's Republic of China. People's Republic of China. In English. The meaning is in English, People's Republic of China. Okay? Now I am showing you the name of the capital. Name of the capital of the country. Name of the capital of the country is Beijing. Is the English. Beijing. Beijing is the name of the capital of the country. Now the pinyin of the Beijing. Pinyin of the Beijing is Peicing. The pronunciation is Peicing. Peicing. B is Po. Okay, Peicing. Now I am showing you the character. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is Pei and Qing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Peicing is the name of the capital of the country, China. Okay. Peicing. The pinyin is Peicing and character is Peicing. 2 characters. I am showing you once again the character stroke order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Peicing. Okay. This is the stroke order of drawing the character. Okay. That's all for today's class. Thank you for watching the video.